So now we're going to find minimum and maximum values for this polynomial right here. Since it's a polynomial, I know that the derivative is always going to be defined. I just need to find out where the derivative equals 0. So to begin with, the derivative, right there, the derivative is going to be 3x squared. The derivative of negative 5x is just negative 5. And the derivative of the constant 6, that's 0. Then set the derivative equal to 0. And we've got a couple of steps of algebra to do. One would be add 5 to both sides. Then we've got 3x squared is equal 5. Then just divide both sides by 3. And finally, take the square root. Don't forget, this has two answers, and the two answers are going to be plus or minus the square root of 5/3. Or, as a decimal, the square root of 5/3, 1.291. So x equals plus or minus 1.291. And then we'll take a look at the graph and find out the actual points. So I went ahead and typed in the original function. So remember, always graph the original function, not the derivative. And then just go to zoom standard. Let's see if we could see the graph. Well, that point right there just barely went off the screen, so I'm going to change the y value to go up just a little bit higher. How about 12? Then we should be able to see the whole graph. All right, so here's a maximum point and here's a minimum point. And then I could just go to trace, put 1.291. That's going to be the minimum point. So that is at 1.291 comma 1.697. And then negative 1.291. That's the maximum point. So negative 1.291 comma 10.303.